In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert handwriting to text in Evernote. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone who prefers jotting down notes by hand but needs the flexibility of digital text later on. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll first need to upload a photo or scan of your handwritten notes into Evernote. Don't worry. Evernote supports a variety of formats including JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, TIFF, and PDF, so you have lots of options. If you're using a smartphone or a tablet, a quick snap with your camera will do the trick. Alternatively, if you've got your notes on paper, you can use a scanner to digitize them. Once you have your image file ready, simply drag it into your Evernote app or use the upload function available within the app itself. Now that your image is in Evernote, you'll want to find and click the Transcribe button. This button should appear right over the image within your note. It's designed to be intuitive, appearing when you're interacting with an image. This function is what brings the magic of Evernote's AI into play. Once clicked, the AI will work its magic by extracting the handwriting and converting it seamlessly into text. It's not just any text. This text is both editable and fully searchable, giving you the flexibility to modify and organize your notes just as you would with any other digital text in Evernote. One thing I really love about Evernote is that while it transcribes the handwriting to text, it leaves the original image intact in the note. This means you still have access to the original version of your notes, which can be useful for cross-referencing or simply to keep a record of your handwritten charm. Plus, having both the text and image side by side can be a helpful way to ensure everything's been transcribed accurately, especially if your handwriting could use a little work. As we wrap up, remember that this feature can be a real game changer, whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone who takes a lot of notes by hand. It's a simple process, but having both a digital and handwritten version of your notes at your disposal can really streamline your workflow. So next time you jot something important down with pen and paper, don't forget to convert it into Evernote. It's like giving your notes a digital upgrade. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking with Evernote.